Good morning to you all. It's me, Sneha Mandal, and today I'm going to explain you all about the motion, its type and its types. So let's start with the motion first. What is motion? So in physics, motion is the phenomenon in which an object changes its position over time. It means a body is in motion if it has movement. If the body has movement continuously, then that body is in motion. Now let's see the more. A body is said to be in state of motion if it changes its position continuously with respect to its surroundings with the passage of time. Yes. Similarly, a body is said to be in rest if it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding with the passage of time. Now, what means rest? Rest means if the object has no movement in its body, it's not moving at all, then that body is said to be in rest. Thus, motion is a change in the position of an object, and rest means it does not have change in the object. Now, rest and motion are relative terms. How? Now, see this picture and you'll be very clear. Here, a tree on the roadside is in the state of rest as it's not changing its position with respect to the running bus. This is a running bus, okay? And then, but the car changes its position with respect to the tree. Yes, of course, this bus is is in motion with respect to the tree. So this bus is in motion. Therefore, these passengers in the car are at rest. If they are at rest relative to the bus, but the bus is at motion relative to the tree. Okay, hence we can say rest and motion are relative terms. This was short description about motion. Now let's move to its types. Types of motion. It has two types, that is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So first, let's read about uniform motion. Uniform motion. So when a body covers an equal distances an equal interval of time, the motion of the body is called uniform motion. Hence, it means if a body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. Okay, now I will show you one picture and you'll be very clear about it. So here you can see a car is moving from city A to city B, and in half an hour this car is covering 30 kilometer. Again after half an hour it is covering 30 kilometer. Again after half an hour it covers 30 kilometer and again finally reaches its destination. So what can you see here? You can see the car is covering equal distances. This is the equal distances in equal interval of time. Yes. So I think you are clear with by showing this picture. Now, in other words, the bodies are said to be in uniform motion if they are moving with constant speed or velocity. The uniform motion of a body has constant velocity. During a fixed period of time, such as 1 second, an object in uniform motion will always cover the same distance no matter when the period begins. Okay. Now, in the diagram beside, the vehicle is covering equal distances in equal interval of time. Yes, I hope now uniform motion is clear to you all. Now let's move on to the non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. What is non-uniform motion? So when unequal distances are covered in equal interval of time, or unequal distances are being covered in unequal interval of time, then the motion is said to be non-uniform motion. So let's see this picture and you'll be very clear about it. So in this picture, the car is moving from O to A to B, B to C, and finally it reaches. So from moving O to A, it covers 1 meter in 2 seconds. Again, after moving from A to B, in 2 seconds, it covers 10 meter. Again, moving from B to C, it covers 25 meter in 2 seconds. Yes, so here you can see in equal interval of time, the car is covering unequal distances. In 2 seconds, 1 meter, again in 2 seconds, 10 meter, again in 2 seconds, 25 meters. So it is changing. Yes. So now let's read. In other words, if a body moves with varying speed or velocity, the motion of the body is said to be non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion of a body has variable velocity. What means now variable? Variable means it is changing time to time. Constant means it is same all time. Variable means it is changing time to time. Now, In the diagram beside, the vehicle is covering unequal distances in equal interval of time. So this was a short description about non-uniform motion. I hope you all understood about the motion and its types. Thank you.